Do you want to know how you can join Melbet's affiliate program? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can join the affiliate program provided by Melbet. Go ahead and open any type of browser on your PC and go to melbet.in. Make sure that you have logged into your account. Now what you need to do is scroll all the way down of the website. You can find affiliate program, which is over here. Just go ahead and click on it. And now you can start your journey to be a Melbet affiliate. Go ahead and click registration. And now you need to fill in your personal details. So I'm going to tell you some of the details which you have to fill. You must write down your login ID, your password, re-enter your password, write down your website if you have one, the site category, language, and what you are going to use it for or how did you find them for. Write down your contact details now, like your first name, your last name, your email address, the form of message you want to see. So there are options like WhatsApp, Telegram, and LinkedIn. You can select one of these, and your messenger username. And finally, you must write down your country, your phone number, and preferred payout method, and your email which you have used over here. Then go ahead and click register, and then you can become a Melbet affiliate now. I hope this video about how you can join the Melbet's affiliate program was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.